Want to know how to monitor QR code performance in Unicode? Stick with me, and I'll show you how to track and optimize your QR code campaigns in no time, while also diving into some important details about the software and why it might not be the perfect fit for everyone. First up, let's talk about QR code tracking in Unicode. When you create a QR code using this tool, you can get detailed analytics, including scans, locations, and even the devices being used. This feature is really important if you're looking to measure the effectiveness of your campaigns. But here's where it gets a bit tricky. While the data is useful, the interface can be a bit cluttered, making it harder to dig into specifics without a little extra effort. Next thing you want to check is how Unicode tracks individual campaigns. Each QR code you generate can be assigned to a specific campaign, and you can track its performance over time. However, the real-time updates can sometimes be slow, so if you need fast, up-to-the-minute data, you might find this feature lacking. The third thing to keep in mind is that Unicode offers basic performance tracking, but it doesn't offer much in terms of deep analytics or customization options. If you want more advanced features like heat maps or detailed demographic data, you'll have to look elsewhere. Unicode just doesn't go far enough for businesses that need those deeper insights to make strategic decisions. Now, let's talk about the fourth thing, integrations. Unicode does allow some integrations with CRM tools and marketing platforms, but the setup can be a bit clunky. If you're using a lot of different tools in your business, you might find it difficult to get everything working smoothly together. And here's the final thing you should know. While Unicode has a free trial, its pricing model can be a bit steep, especially if you want access to premium features. Some users might feel it's not worth the investment, especially when compared to alternatives that offer more robust tracking and a better user experience. So, if you're looking for a more user-friendly and powerful alternative, I've got you covered. There's another QR code platform that not only offers a better performance tracking system, but also integrates seamlessly with more tools, giving you a much smoother experience overall. Plus, it's more affordable with an extended free trial just for our viewers. If you want to take advantage of this exclusive offer, click the link in the description. You'll get the best free trial available and a chance to explore all the powerful features these other alternatives have to offer, helping you achieve the same goal, tracking and improving your QR code performance faster and easier than ever. Check out the link now for your extended trial and bonus benefits. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.